What's up guys, today we're going to be checking out the second generation of AirPods Pro. Let's take a look. Alright, let's check out what we get straight out of the box. Obviously all of our traditional Apple paperwork. Does anyone actually read all that? Because I don't even think about taking it out. Then of course the AirPods themselves. So the AirPods 2 are Apple's second generation of AirPods Pro and their fifth generation of in-ear AirPods. These are Apple's latest AirPods yet. This is Apple's first pair of AirPods to feature a USB Type-C charging port. Another new addition to these AirPods is the 4 speakers on the bottom and a little spot for your keychain on the side. These AirPods also feature noise cancelling and transparency modes. When your AirPods are on noise cancelling mode, they basically block out any noise in your room. On transparency mode, you can hear everything around you and the sound coming out of your AirPods. You can easily control your AirPods by squeezing the sides. Long press to switch into noise cancellation or transparency mode. Tap once to pause, or tap twice to skip. You can easily customize these controls in your Bluetooth settings. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you liked it. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.